And how's it going, guys? It's i7 Tech here, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing an unboxing of this in-car charger. Now this in-car charger is a charger for iPhones and iPads. It doesn't charge at a very fast pace. It charges at 1 amp, but more on that in the full review. Basically what I'm showing you today is what you can find when you unbox this actual product. It's very simple, it's very easy. You can read all the specifications for yourself if you want to pause and read it for yourself there. Very self-explanatory, quick and easy. This is going to be a very quick unboxing, so let's get into it. What you get inside is the actual charger, and it's nice and portable. When I saw it on Takealot and the reviews, they said that this was a very good charger for your car and your iPhones. I've tried a lot of these car chargers and none of them work as well as this one, and it has lasted me for quite some time, but I'll really explain more in the full review. If you want to check that out, I'll either link it in the description below or up in the cards somewhere here, I think. So yeah, but check it there. And once I come out with that, and then you can see how I think about this really portable charger, what I like about it, what I don't like about it, what should you look out for if you are interested in buying this actual car charger. But anyway, this has been i7 Tech. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell so you can stay notified with the latest videos on this channel. With that being said, I'm i7 Tech, and I'll see you guys in the next one.